Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What kind of fruit can be eaten at the beginning of summer, and which ones are undesirable? Experts called fruits, which contain a huge amount of pesticides, which have a destructive effect on our health. Before the examination, scientists completely washed and peeled the fruit from the peel. The teachings realized that this practically did not help. As for the strawberry, it absorbed pesticides completely. As you know, the strawberry season starts at the beginning of summer and you can enjoy fruit until the end of June. But now, this fruit can be purchased almost all the year round. All because of the fact that it is grown with the use of pesticides. Here are the additives used in growing strawberries. Carbendazim, it destroys hormones. Bifenthrin is a very toxic pesticide. Of all the strawberries that scientists took for analysis, 98% was with the addition of pesticides. It is known that pesticides violate the nervous system, affect hormones. Pregnant women are absolutely prohibited. Children can cause severe psychological disorders. Also, in addition to strawberries, the list of products that include pesticides are spinach, potatoes, apples, peaches, cherries, grapes. Please note that the highest level of harmful substances is contained in those products that are not available in season. However, scientists are advised to be on call, because this can only be clarified in the laboratory. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.